Becoming a driver can be an exciting time for a teen, but it can also be challenging, and at very worst, deadly. Alabama ranks 5th in the number of teens killed in motor vehicle crashes every year. It's the leading cause of death among 16 to 24-year-olds. Alabama's graduated driver license law places restrictions on young drivers to help ensure their safety. The law states that before a teen may drive alone, they must have 50 hours of supervised driving practice with a licensed adult. 16 and 17-year-old drivers may only have one non-family member passenger. They aren't allowed to drive between midnight and 6 a.m. except under certain conditions, and they may not drive with any non-essential handheld device such as a phone. These are just a few of the restrictions under the Alabama Graduated Driver License Law. It's the responsibility of the parent and their teen to learn about it. Parents, know the law, enforce the law, and be a good example. Remember, the life you save may be your child's.